Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to crop picture into custom shape in publisher document. So let's started. At first open your publisher document. In this video, I will show crop picture into custom shape. Now go to the insert point option. Now for click. Then click for a picture option. Now find your picture. Now select from picture. Now click for insert option. That is. Then we show insert from picture. Now publisher document. This picture crop custom shape. Now going to the picture format point option. Now click for a crop option. Then click for a crop to shape. Then we show open a main shape. Now choose any shape. I choose from diamond shape, that is. Now the shape from crop to the image, that is. Then we show crop picture into custom shape in publisher document is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.